This is the simulated circuit for the trash collection robot of our trash cleaning robot crew. This circuit, it has a signal. This robot, per the algorithm, is going to receive a signal from one of the other robots, and that's going to be indicated here by this IR sensor and remote. It has an IR sensor to receive the signal, an LED to indicate that the signal was received. It has a motor to represent movement towards the other robot because it's going to go to that other robot. It has a compactor, or represents a compactor and a collector to collect the trash and compact the trash. The compactor and collector obviously are servos to represent that. Obviously in real life they wouldn't be. And then we have this force sensor to indicate whether or not the trash is full, which it shows that it needs to, or tells it that it needs to go empty the trash. Doing that, we can start our simulation here. It moves the collector and the compactor. It waits for the signal per the algorithm. Any button will do really here, and I have that written in the code. Here's the code here. Written in the code, we have the doesn't matter what the button is, it's just a signal from the other robot. So we can click any button. I'll click 1 here. It will first move towards the trash here, collects the trash by moving the servo, compacts the trash by moving the servo. Then it checks if it's full, reads the trash sensor, and returns home by indicating this negative movement here. If I were to add, so we have trash now, move that up, we can hit the button. It is now going to move towards the trash, collect the trash, compact the trash, and then the force sensor is full, checks if it's full, says it is full, moves towards the trash here, and then goes home by indicating with negative movement to represent that. And then it waits for a signal again. So that's how the algorithm is. We have our setup, or we have our constants here, we have our setup here to pin modes and things, the IR receiver decode to decode the signal that's received. It doesn't really decode anything, it just indicates that a signal was received. It has the right for the indicator. It has these functions here to gather trash, compact trash, return home function. This checks if it's full, and it will checks if it's full, moves towards the collection point, a different point than the home, and then it returns home here. And then the servos, using that servo class we imported up here, and then the IR is going to be this IR pin, which is set here, and it's also right here, enables the input for IR receiving. So that's it.